Hello guys, it's James from FXax here, and today we have the second part of our two-part series for you that you are not going to want to miss. Watch this one the whole way through as we finish off the final 3 game changes to get you well on your way to becoming a profitable forex or crypto trader. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We provide transparent, informative forex content without the BS. Before we begin, a disclaimer for you. Forex trading carries a high level of risk to your capital, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. And remember, the content we produce is for educational purposes only. We have also marked timestamps on the video to help you guys navigate to different parts if you so please. However, we do advise to watch the entirety of the video. If you do enjoy the content, please do like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help us provide you with the content you genuinely want and help us with those YouTube algorithms. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed part 1, where we covered some key fundamental concepts of trading that everyone should know. If you have not already seen part 1, we will provide a link in the description below, and I encourage you to go and watch the first part before joining us here on part 2. If you've seen part 1, I hope you all enjoyed it, and without further ado, let's get going with part 2. Diving straight in here with game-changing tip number 4. And no, we aren't talking about the hottest celebrity gossip here and who's dating who. We are talking about economic and political news events that can have a direct impact on the strength of a country's economy or fiscal policies, as this will directly cause spikes in the strength of their currency. 2 great resources that we use are MyFXbook and Forex Factory economic calendars. These sites organize the news events in a convenient color-coded list that show the severity of the news. You don't need to watch these news events, as many of them are speeches, or not even televised. You just need to know when they are hitting, as they can completely throw off and ruin your trades. For you cryptocurrency traders, you can go onto coinmarketcap.com and check out their event calendars for project updates on any of your favorite crypto assets to be sure that you are on top of the news. When these major news events hit, doesn't matter if all your indicators line up, you've identified the perfect technical pattern, you've rejected nicely off an area of support or resistance, you've prayed to the forex gods, and this looks like it is about to be the trade of the century. If it is 5 minutes before the weekly NFP report, or the Federal Reserve is about to make an announcement regarding interest rates, or Godzilla rises from the ocean to flatten Tokyo, none of the hard work you put in to find that perfect trade is going to matter, as news events have a habit of smashing through major levels and rendering your technical analysis useless. One common theme that we see with so many traders, from newcomers to intermediate skilled traders alike, is strategy hopping. I think almost all traders have been guilty of falling victim to the "ooh, shiny" syndrome, where we try changing and testing new strategies every other week. Maybe your friend tells you about this great new strategy they found, or your favorite YouTuber shows you a hot trading tip, sure to enhance your trading. Many traders spend years chasing the holy grail of strategies that they come to find likely doesn't exist, and suffer years of losing trades and inconsistent results using new, non-perfected strategies, instead of finding a good strategy, perfecting it, and becoming consistently profitable. Seriously, you want to listen to this part as we talk about exactly what you need to focus on to become profitable. But we'll still give you the option of some strange dancing to the right and genuine forex education to the left. The truth is, you need to find a few strategies that suit your style and stick to them and make them work for you. The sooner a trader can find a strategy to suit them, tailor it, practice it, and make it their own, the sooner they will reach their trading goals. This comes down to finding the right mix of trading tools available, learning leading and lagging indicators, price action, and candlestick patterns, and finding a combination of them that work together that feels right. Many traders will tell of a time when they had their aha moment, when they found something that feels right to them. Something that balances excitement, profitability, and enjoyability. If you find a strategy that works, but you find it too boring, or you hate the level of concentration or screen time it takes, you likely won't stick to it. The strategy needs to be one you enjoy and understand thoroughly, to know when to apply it to certain market conditions. And this brings us to our final game-changing tip, number 6. Being a trader can be a lonely gig. A lone wolf hunting through charts, looking for the perfect trade setups and opportunities, but it doesn't have to be this way. One thing I have found that has helped a lot of traders increase their success is by joining a community. I know traders who have found their productivity, skills, and profitability increase as soon as they join a group of like-minded traders. There are too many opportunities in the markets for one person to find them all. This is where teamwork can be a valuable thing. In forex, one person cannot keep up with all 28 different pairs, watch the 9 major time frames, not to mention the countless crypto pairs and trading setups that can be found 7 days a week. It makes sense to split the workload. Many eyes across many charts mean more setups that you likely would have missed on your own. I've found many traders have a great success in small groups, splitting up tasks where, say, for example, one person focuses on pound pairs, one person Japanese yen pairs, one person looks at the Aussie dollar, and one person scours the crypto charts. Then everyone calls their setups in a group chat where each trader can take advantage of these setups. When one trader alone might find 1 or 2 setups a day, by relying on a team, they can now place additional trades based on setups and charts that they didn't have to find themselves, pointed out by other traders in the group. And this brings us to our FXX tip. We have just launched a free trading and investing Discord group with dedicated and active traders. Our tip today is to check it out. A socials group where like-minded traders can come together and share their trading tips, strategies, and setups. As the old saying goes, many hands make light work. We are building this group as a place where we can all benefit from a combined work effort, to learn, to chat, and to grow as traders. A link to our Discord group can be found in the description below. And that is a wrap, guys, bringing us to the end of this 2-part video series. I really hope these 6 tips will help each of you get well on your way to reaching your trading goals. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our future content. I am sorry to disappoint if anyone came to this video looking for tips on how you can all quit your jobs and become millionaires in a year. But here at FXX, we do have a no BS approach to trading and are going to be transparent and open with our community. I believe everyone in our community can reach their trading goals, and we want to help you all get there. But we can only help you get there with real information and expectations. I hope you have found this video useful. Please visit www.fxx.com and join our completely free Telegram channel. All socials are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really hope it's been useful, and stay tuned for more content.